Hi guys, this is Online School of Creativity, and in this video I'm going to take you through the 5 quick and easy way to remove background from an image. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So when you open your Photoshop to take you to this place, what you do is that you create a new file, or you can also, please, those that have not watched our beginner's guide, just go to the description. There is a link in the description that talks about the basics of Adobe Photoshop. Please, you can check that video. It will help you to start graphic design. It talks from how to select your documents, how to do your designs, the most used tools, and many more. So please don't forget to also subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that I get notified each time I upload new tutorials. Don't also forget to comment, share, and like. So today I'm going to open the picture. So I will open the picture. So this is the picture I want to use for the project. So what I'll do is that I'll press Ctrl J, and I'll duplicate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll hide and I'll use this one for the first one. So the first method is the object selection tool. So I'll just left click, press and hold and drag around my image, and Photoshop will automatically select the image and it will leave the background. So I'll click on this small layer mask. I've talked about layer mask in my beginner's guide. So if you want to know more about layer mask, you can check that video. So you can see that Photoshop have removed the background. Okay, so I'll hide this and I'll move to the second method. The second method is what I call, when you click on this, this is a selection tool. This is what we call the rectangular marquee tool, and there is also have the elliptical marquee tool. We also have the lasso tool here. We have the magnetic lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool. So you can click on any of them. All of them are selection tools. So when you click on this tool, let's select this layer. When you click on this, you can see you have what we call select and mask. When we click on this, Photoshop will open a new panel for me. So I'll select this first tool, then I'll increase the size already at 30, so you can increase your own. Then I will start to left click and drag, left click and drag. So if you want to know more about this panel, please can send me a tutorial request. You can send it to us through our web mail onlineschool@onlineschoolofcreativity.com. Then we will get it, then we will do the tutorial for you. Please follow us on our social media platforms, Online School of Creativity, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. So I'll press this OK button, and you can see that Photoshop have selected the image and marked the image. This is a brilliant job. I'll hide this and I'll move to the next method. The next one is what we call select subject. So you can see that we have this what we call select subject. So when I click on it, Photoshop will automatically select the subject and leave the background for me. So this is another method to remove the background. So you have seen that Photoshop has selected the background, click on this layer mask tool, then Photoshop has automatically remove the background. I'll hide this and move to the next method, what we call quick selection tool. So I'll just left click, press, drag to select the image. Beautiful. You can press Q on your keyboard to check the selection. Nice job. And I'll press on the layer mask. Photoshop will automatically also remove the background because I've selected it and I've pressed layer mask. So check in the description and know more about layer mask. Thank you. I'll hide this and I'll move to the last one, which is remove background. Those that they can't find their property panel, go to Windows and click on properties. Let's bring it here. Let's drag this one down. You can see that I have remove background. Just click on it. Photoshop will automatically select the image and remove its background. brilliant. So this is the 5 quick and easy way to select image and remove its background. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that I get notified each time we upload new tutorials. And please don't also forget to comment on this video, share and like. Thank you for watching the video, and bye bye.